Thomas in a rush. One morning, Thomas took passengers to the town. "Toot toot," he said as he rushed along the track. He quickly dropped them all at the station. Then he picked the his same fish trucks from the harbour. He didn't like that job. "Phew," he said, "I can't wait to be rid of these smelly fish trucks." But in his hurry, Thomas accidentally bashed through the stop signal. Bash! The trucks crushed Salty and covered both edges in smelly fish. "I do like the sea," Salty said, "but not this much." From then on, Thomas had learned an important lesson. In future, he would work slowly and carefully instead of rushing and making silly mistakes. The end.